Have you ever wanted a fun and creative way to express yourself? Do you want to share your values with the world? Attitude collage is the answer. This exciting activity helps you explore your inner landscape and share it visually. It's simple, powerful, and open to everyone. Let your creativity bloom with Attitude Collage. Attitude Collage is more than just cutting and pasting. It's about making choices. Every image and word you select reflects a piece of you. As you build your collage, you're building a visual representation of your heart and mind. Get ready to discover something new about yourself. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on YouTube for more training activities and resources. Let us know what other games and activities you'd like to see. Before you begin your journey of self-expression, you'll need to gather a few simple tools. Think of these tools as your companions on this creative adventure. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Just a few basic supplies that you can easily find around your home or at your local craft store. First, gather a stack of old magazines. These magazines will be your treasure trove of images and words. Next, grab a pair of scissors to carefully cut out your chosen elements. You'll also need glue to secure your findings onto a sturdy poster board. Finally, keep some colourful markers handy to add your personal touch with handwritten words or drawings. Now you're ready to dive into the world of Attitude Collage. Now comes the exciting part, creating your collage. Spread out your magazines and start flipping through the pages. Look for images and words that resonate with you. What inspires you? What makes you happy? What are your dreams and aspirations? Don't overthink it. Let your intuition guide you. If an image or word catches your eye, cut it out. You can use single words, phrases, or even full sentences. You can even cut out shapes and patterns that appeal to you. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in Attitude Collage. It's all about expressing your unique perspective. Section 4. Sharing your masterpiece. Voices and visions. Once you've finished creating your Attitude Collage, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Gather your friends, family, or colleagues and take turns sharing your creations. As you present your collage, talk about the images and words you chose. Explain why they resonate with you. Share your thoughts and feelings. Listen attentively as others share their collages. You'll be amazed by the diversity of perspectives and the richness of each person's story. Sharing your Attitude Collage is a powerful way to connect with others on a deeper level. Section 5. The Power of Visual Storytelling. Benefits and Applications. Attitude Collage is more than just a fun activity. It's a powerful tool for self-expression, understanding, and connection. By engaging in this creative process, you tap into your inner world and share it with others in a visually compelling way. This sharing can lead to deeper connections and a greater appreciation for individual differences. This activity has numerous applications. It can be used in classrooms to help students explore their values and beliefs. It can be used in team-building workshops to foster communication and understanding among colleagues. It can even be used in therapeutic settings to help individuals express their emotions and experiences.